Mummy. Kiss Mummy. Kiss Mummy. Kiss Mummy. Oh! He likes to do that when he's happy. He'll bang his chest. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. Clap. Whoa! You're getting excited. He's getting excited. You're getting excited. Hey, Caleb. Look at Daddy.
Oh, he's on camera. He's like all quiet.
Yeah. Caleb is 4 months old. He's gone so big. Okay, Caleb's 4 months old. Look, this is his toy. Look, Caleb can even hold a rattle now. Come on, show. Shake, shake. Shake, shake. Shake, shake. Shake, shake. Yeah. How about this one? The ball.
Make sure you massage his leg. Massage it now. When you're feeding him.
What did the lady say?
Just massage.
Why?
Make it strong next time so he can stand, not wobble. Just massage it, like you don't have to bend it or anything.
Sit you up. Daddy, take hold of him, sit him up.
Oh, you need to sit in the bin. Just
sit on the bin.
Yeah, this what do you call this? Bamboo chair?
Bumbo.
Put it in there.
There you go. Into your head, darling. Oh, turn you around. Okay, look at Daddy. Look at Daddy. Look here, Caleb. That's it.
Yeah.
Yeah, you hold it. Caleb. Take a photo of us.
Can't take photo.